Could pop superstardom actually buy you a get-out-of-jail-free card? The shocking new police body cam footage from Justin Timberlake's June 2024 DWI arrest in Sag Harbor, NY, is finally out, revealing a truly wild night. The highly anticipated video shows JT struggling through field sobriety tests, looking visibly confused by the officer's instructions and even admitting, "My heart's racing," as he stumbled. But the real drama unfolded when his female friend, clearly distraught, tried to pull the ultimate NSYNC card. She literally begged officers, "Can you guys please just do me a favor? 'Cause you loved Bye 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 or Sexy Back." In an almost unbelievable turn, it actually worked, allowing her a brief moment with the superstar before he was cuffed and taken away. This footage was released only after JT himself sued to block it, citing privacy concerns, before making an agreement for a redacted version. Talk about a dramatic flip-flop. This whole saga, complete with his viral mugshot and those infamous "ruin the tour" memes, has been pure Hollywood gold. It's a gripping look behind the velvet ropes, showing that even pop royalty can't escape the paparazzi's lens or the long arm of the law. Don't miss out on more exclusive celebrity insights. Make sure
From
to hit that
Hollywood to
subscribe
the
button.
world, we've got you covered. Subscribe for more.